Many Bahamian residents out there eyeing a rise in COVID-19 cases as the general election nears. A common concern among some, whether the September 16th voting day will turn out to be the super spreader event many were hoping to avoid. Well, Pan American Health Organization officials adding their voice to the conversation, acknowledging the right of countries to both carry out their election processes and prioritize health care, relying on data from regional countries which have gone forward with their election processes. Paho Director of Health Emergencies, Dr. Cairo Ugarte, says the trends show something worthy to note.
We've seen that the higher transmission occurs during the campaign rather than in the day of the elections. So it is important to avoid situations where the physical distancing is very difficult to maintain. And in that regards, to use masks all the time. And of course, use also other measures, including the hand sanitation and others.
Dr. Ugarte also putting forth some recommendations on how to generally carry out a safe election.
It is also important to have the electoral committees to organize the election day in a way that the persons will maintain physical distancing and reduce the transmission on the surfaces, for example, that the persons may touch. Those and several other recommendations, including communication to the persons who will be facilitating the process and also the population who will go to vote.
If you missed anything, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our ZNS Network YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for breaking news, live event coverage, web exclusives, and much more.